Transform static shape to dynamic with Figma. So let's begin with a path shape. I have a path shape here and I have transparent portrait, right? So with this path shape, let's create a new rectangle and this will be a mask. Select the two and select the mask effect. And then let's go to the rectangle layer inside my mask and let's create a gradient color, something like that. Now let's transform this mask group to a component and create two variants. Second variant, let's rotate my mask layer and let's scale it a little bit, and then let's go and scale it down like that. All right, now let's connect the first variant with the second one. After delay 1 millisecond and also 1 millisecond smart animate 1 millisecond. Next, select the second one and connect it with the third one. After delay 1 millisecond and here slow and 2000 millisecond. Well, let's go to my portrait, transform it to a component, create two other variants, and let's go and scale down my portrait. Now connect the first variant with the second one. After delay 1 millisecond and smart animate 1 millisecond and bouncy effect like that. Select the second one and connect it with the third one. After delay 1 millisecond and 2000 millisecond 2000. All right, now let's go to my frame and go to asset and let's drag the first shape and the portrait. Drag the portrait. Now select my frame and hit the play button. All right, this is my animation.